Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into reinforcement. PCB reinforcement, also known as PCB stiffening process, is a key technology in PCB manufacturing. It enhances local mechanical strength by attaching or fixing reinforcing materials to specific areas of the PCB. The core purpose is to target areas prone to bending or stress concentration, such as connector interfaces, plug-in regions, and the junction between flexible FPC and rigid PCB, preventing deformation, fracture, or copper foil detachment during assembly or usage, thus ensuring stable electrical connections and extending product service life. Common reinforcing materials included are for epoxy boards, steel sheets, aluminum sheets, and high polyamide films, which are selected based on application scenarios. For example, PI film is preferred for high-temperature environments, while steel sheets are used for high-strength requirements. These materials are fixed via adhesive bonding, hot pressing, or welding without affecting the original electrical performance of the PCB. Widely applied in flexible FPC, automotive PCBs for vibration resistance, consumer electronics interfaces for frequent plugging to unplugging, and medical device PCBs for high-precision requirements. This process is a crucial guarantee for adapting to complex operating environments and improving PCB durability.